this journey to create a better version of myself. I love just kind of getting myself and really just pushing myself to the limit, to take this opportunity to enhance my skills in feeling my best, unplugging, disconnecting, creating content, but creating it with ease and flow, and becoming better at editing and just like feeling my best self. And so I'm going to be incorporating some good healthy habits. Love creating content. I've been in the process of creating content for probably over like 7 years or 8 years now. And I am now heading onto YouTube. And I'm really excited because I figured out a strategy, a way to do it on my phone. I had bought this fancy equipment, my laptop. I purchased some high, software to do some editing, and it was just too much for me. And it just basically, I gave up really quick. So I've had a YouTube channel for quite a long time. I deleted a lot of content on there about social media marketing and managing. I regret deleting. I am just on a new era, a new avenue, a new venture. And so I'm hoping to incorporate some of these vlogs, me going to work, my lifestyle, and share with you guys things that I've done that made a big difference in my life, and just take you along and also just like have fun with the editing and recording. Using my iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I'll be using the software called CapCut, which I can use on my iPad, my phone, and my laptop. Recording so I can see how much I've improved, because it's amazing when you start documenting your life. Like, I've been journaling forever, and when you go back to look at it and reflect on it and read it, you realize that you've grown so much, and there's so much that have changed, and there's things that in your life that worried you then that doesn't worry you now. I'm excited to do this because I want to see my transformation and how it changes, how I feel. So watching. Today we're going to be going to work. I have a few things to do. I got a lot done already this morning. I feel really good. So I got to head out and we'll chat later. If you guys like chai like I do, I love getting the chai Starbucks. I just realized that my shirt's inside out. I'm gonna have to change that at work. I love going and getting chai from Starbucks. The time and the money. So I bought these little chai tea bags at Walmart. You mix up some almond milk, and then you can add a little bit of vanilla creamer, but it's a chai vanilla spice. And so you just make a little tea bag, about 4 ounces of water or 6 ounces of water, and then you add about 4 to 6 ounces of almond milk and a splash of your favorite creamer, or half and half, and it gives it the most delicious like chai latte vibes. And so I have it right here, and I am going to be drinking that at work today. And so this is a great little holiday drink. A good tea. I love all teas. I'm like a tea girl. I don't know, some people like tea, some people don't like a tea. Hope you guys try it. Let me know in the comments if you guys end up trying it, because it's super delicious. Also, we'll save you some money. Finished my morning shift. I just had my lunch break. My lunch breaks are doing content edit or recording, and even just like reading, catch up on my reading. But this morning, since I got up bright and early, things have been good. I'm gonna be finishing the last half of my work day, and it's been quite a busy Monday in the dental field, and overall feeling pretty happy and confident. The weather's kind of ugly and gloomy, and so I'm really looking forward to wearing my cozy sweaters and just staying in comfy clothes. I can't wait for the holidays because that means like no working, get to be home and just snuggle. The Christmas decorations out this weekend, so I might be doing that. Have our tree already. It's a cute little one that fits right in the little den area. See if I can get my husband to put up the lights. It does take him a long time. When he does put them up, they look really good, and so hopefully I can butter him up so we can get the lights on. The week is going to be kind of just a nice week, just to kind of catch up and relax. And oh, I have to go after work right now to run some errands. So when I get off in about an hour, I'm going to go run some errands, and I need to stop at my parents' house. I did change my shirt. I did switch it out, so it was inside out, but nobody noticed. A little bit. So for my lunch, I am currently reading 101 Essays, How to Change Your Way of Thinking. The hard copy of that book, I mean, it's trending all on Instagram. You guys probably know it is. Hard copy. But then I said, well, let me just check it out and see if I like it. And as I started reading a couple of chapters, like, no, it's not really worth it. Like I mentioned, I do read it at lunchtime, or I'll read it at night, depending if I want to switch it up. The other one I want to read is by the same author, Brianna West. And bookstore this weekend, they stated that she doesn't sell them in the bookstore, Barnes and Nobles. The other book I want to read is called The Pivot Year. I think it's like a black cover. I have that one. I got a sample of it. I do really like it, so I think I'll pick that one up after. But I'm in between about like 2 or 3 books right now, so I want to kind of finish this up before. I'm not trying to buy books, you know, so if I can get them on Audible or if I can read them on my Kindle, then I'm down to do that. Paper book just the other day, and that one is more like a devotion. I don't know. I'm just kind of into a really like reading some nonfiction as well as some personal developments. I've always read personal developments, so I'm trying right now to read a little bit of nonfiction and just like let my mind wander. And last month, the 5-star weekend, and that one just totally took my breath away. Like, it was like really good. I was into it. I didn't want to put it down, and so I did pick up another one by the same author. I don't even remember the title. I just started it last night. So I am into my reading right now, my reading girl era. So that's why I'm kind of excited too for the coziness, because I'm becoming more of a home buddy. So yeah, let me know what you guys are reading. This is the one I was telling you guys about. So good. Okay, so I just left my parents' house. I went to Target, I ran some errands, and then I went to my parents' house. And my parents started telling me that they were watching my study with me on YouTube, and they said they had their Bible study out and their journals out, and they were wondering when I was gonna read and study with them. So they were like, what's up with your study with me? They didn't understand it. And I was like, no, it's a study motivation where you read and study, and I have background music just to kind of study with me, like low vibe. And they didn't get it. And it's a reminder to you that sometimes your parents see things and they don't understand social media, they don't understand things, and they want you to do it a certain way. And that goes for anybody. People are always going to have an opinion, you know, even tell you in real life, like, why are you doing this? Why are you doing that? And honestly, it doesn't matter. You don't have to prove it to anybody but yourself. And anyways, I'm going to head home and try to get another little workout in, probably get my steps in. Let me see where I'm at. I'm at 5,359, which is not bad. 352. I'm gonna go home, get some, probably eat, and then probably get a little workout in, and then we'll call it an evening. Oh, I did get these pictures of me when I was a baby. My mom had them, and this is my grandma. I always talk about my grandma, so I got these too. And she says she has a whole bunch. I guess they found some box that has all kinds of pictures of me, and there's a lot from my like high school years, so they're gonna
give them to me and I'm gonna take them home. So we'll see what I do with those pictures. But I don't know, if you guys know me back then, I had a Kodak camera. I had a Polaroid. I loved pictures. I would get those little like film, if you guys are like old like me, because it's a little bit older. They had these rolls of film. I would purchase them and I would go to Walgreens and get them developed on little 4x6s and I had tons of photo albums. I loved collecting pictures. I loved taking pictures. I was like the girl that always had pictures, and I always got duplicates. And what I would do is I would keep all mine and I would give away the others and write on the back the name, the time, the date. And I just loved pictures. I've always loved pictures. And so it's so weird now to think about it, because now I'm all digital and I still love taking good pictures, and I take them on my phone and my camera and I email them over. I still love pictures. I love media. So anyways, I'm excited to see, I'm excited to see what those are going to be like. Oh, and I also got some pans to make some banana bread. So I didn't have a loaf pan and I had been making just like muffins, but I want to do some banana bread loaves. And my mom gave me some minis. She always has baking dishes, and so she kind of gave me those. And I'll probably do that this week and make some banana bread, some walnut banana bread. I just got into town. It just started raining. I went to Target earlier and I went in there strictly to go look at the Christmas stuff, because I wanted to see if there's anything I wanted to add to my office, to my desk, because we have a bunch of stuff up in the attic, but nothing that really, thrilled me. I was really looking for some Christmas cups. So if you guys been seeing those cute little Christmas cups, I wanted to see if I can get some. I do have a Santa Claus and I think some like a red one or something. I had no Christmas cups whatsoever. They were all sold out. So I was looking for like a white Christmas tree or like some kind of Santa one, but they didn't have anything, so I might have to order it online. And oh, I did see that Target has their books on sale, so if you buy 2 you get 1 for free. So many good ones. But as you know, like, I'm not trying to buy books right now, but they're just like, the feel of them, the smell of them. Like, I truly love books. I like writing them, highlighting them, reading the book that I have, and I'm reading my Kindle. So that's what my thing is. Like, I'm reading digitally and I'm reading with purpose, and I'm finishing my books. I'm not just buying books to buy more books. I don't want to be a hoarder, a book hoarder. But if you guys need a book, go to Target because they have them on sale.